Hello, what is up guys? Ryan Santiago here, and today I'm going to be playing the game Sonic Dash. And yeah, it's been a while since I've uploaded any gaming videos. Here's the problem here. I kind of had like I was having trouble. I couldn't use my phone anymore because it was broken, and it had DU recorder on here, so I'm doing it on my Apple phone. Fortunately, it doesn't have face cam, the one I wanted, so guess I'm sticking with this. Yeah, but yeah. So yeah, I'm playing Sonic Dash, but I just can't wait to get this game on. So let's get to the game. Excuse me for 1 second. Okay, now let's play. Just gotta click play button. Alright. I'm playing as the one and only Sonic the Hedgehog, so let's do this. Swipe left, swipe up to jump, swipe and roll down. Roll to attack enemy. Oh yeah, I rescued an animal, baby. Okay, attack that piranha. Oh wait, no, that's a chomp. A chomp that was. It's been a while since I played the Sonic series, mainly because I'm not interested in it anymore, since Sega keeps on milking it. Alright. Yep. Alright, I gotten through the tutorial already. Oh, I see things have changed a lot. I can now build things for the animals to live in. Just gotta build this nice birdie a little home. Alright, let's get back in the game. Alright. Let's do this. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Gotta go faster, faster, faster. Rolling speed is down, party catch all year round. Nothing, a new location, red highway. Nation, no top of realization. Go, space, go, okay. Now I gotta do this dash. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm on a roll. Alright, I got a style bonus up there. Okay. I'm free. Oh yeah, go boost to win. Together we can show the world what we can do. You are next to me and I'm next to you. Until the oh, and I got an achievement for the game center. Alright. Oh hey, look, a boss spring. It's Dr. Eggman. Alright, just gotta get there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Style, baby. Alright. There you are, Eggman. Bring it on. History! Let's do this. Okay, shooting missiles at me, I can easily avoid those. This is freaking easy. Is Eggman even as smart as he thinks he is? Oh, another achievement for the game center. Hot heels. Yeah, my heels are burning alright.
I'll be seeing you!
Alright, time to finish this. Let's do
What?
this.
I'm not giving up yet! Thought
What?
you could defeat me?
Aw, man! I failed! I guess I can't blame myself. It has been a long time since I played Sonic Dash. Alright. Dash is ready. Okay. 500 kilometers. Roll, 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 roll. Keep rolling, rolling, rolling. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Oh, and I lost. Ah. Yeah, that's alright. At least I completed 2 missions. And I've rescued a lot of animals, too. Well, birds, mostly. Oh man. Freaking ad. No, I don't want to play that game. Maybe I'm thinking of it, but not today. Alright. Ooh, a Metal Sonic event. Oh, what do you know? I gotta collect some Metal Sonic tokens in order to get them. That sounds easy, doesn't it? Oh, no way! Is that the Danimals mascot? I remember him! I remember seeing that monkey from the Danimals commercial. I didn't know he would be in this game. Alright, let's try him out, shall we? Let's go. I didn't think that anyone would ever see this guy again. Yeah, I didn't think that they would include Bongo as a guest character in this. It did say that that's his anniversary. Alright. Let's go, Bongo. Alright. Go. 4. Go. I'm free in the wind, free to be free to be me. I am free. I'm the wind. Oh, another achievement. Sonic Boom. Sonic Boom, Sonic Boom, Sonic Boom. Oh, another boss. Wait a minute. Don't tell me it's who I think it is. Alright. Let's see who it is. Oh no, no, not this terrible boss from Sonic Lost World. I hate, yeah, I mean, I kind of like Sonic Lost World, but I don't like him or any of the stuff, his deadly sex. mainly because of how weak they are as villains. And look at this guy. This guy is nothing but a stereotypical trigger happy. God, what's this? What even is that? Is that supposed to be a moon? It looks kind of... It looks more like a jack-o'-lantern. It looks more like a jack-o'-lantern with a moon with a yellow... I can't... Oh, come on! I failed again? Yeah, keep on laughing, Chuckles. Can't believe it. I can't believe I failed at trying to beat 2 bosses. Oh, and I crashed again. Yep. At least I collected all the things that were on the track. Oh, and I got some gems too. Booyah. Ooh, and got some oh, please. Why does this game keep popping up? Alright. Let's do this. Alright, collect rings. Ooh, they have other zones here. There's Beach Zone. Oh, I got a level up! Oh, there's a Snow Mountain Zone. Okay, I'm gonna build the animals a new and good home. Yeah, look at those birds, giving me all those hearts and things. Oh, and I got to level 3! And I got a new stage. Beach Zone. I'm gonna build them a new home as well. Alright. Let's go, Bongo. Going up. Alright. Alright, I'm going to face Eggman again. I swear I am not going to blow it. I am not going to blow it this time. 4. Alright. Going up. And I would walk 500 miles, and I would walk 500 more just to be the man. Oh, here he comes.
Your history!
Looks like you're the one who's history. I'm gonna kick this guy's fat ass. Oh! Freaking cussed again. Sorry, guys. Well, I'm technically old enough to cuss anytime I want. So, it shouldn't be a big deal. Get over here, I'm gonna kick your... Oh, you're gonna get your... Oh, you're gonna get your fat butt over here. Alright, let's do it.
I'm not giving up yet!
Alright. Yes! Alright, 2 down. Oh, yes!
Why, you...
Eggman is
this?
gone. Yes! I emerge victorious. Hey, I'm gonna be the man you wish for me to be. And I would run 500 miles, and I would run 500 more just to be the man. 500 miles in this. Oh, na 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 na. All right. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Double style combo. Alright, let's do this. I am crushing this. And look how far I'm getting. Oh man, there goes my shield. Alright. Keep on collecting those Metal Sonic metal coins so I can unlock Metal Sonic. Alright. Monkey. Get that monkey. One, 2, 3, 4. Alright. We are walking through this. Okay. This calls for a spin dash. Spin dash time. Oh, and I hit a bomb. Oh my god. I'm starting to panic. Oh my god, is that blood on the screen that I just saw? Is that freaking blood? Why did they put it here in the... Oh! And there goes me. Alright. I am crushing this on. Yep, that was well done. No, I am not playing this game Kick the Buddy. Even though I heard it's good. Hey, don't you call me a loser. Alright. Let's do it. Alright, I'm gonna... Oh, I gotta get to a new stage where I'm gonna unlock new characters. Alright, I'm gonna do this one more time. Oh, I can upgrade characters. Oh yeah, level up to level 4. Alright. Let's go, Sonic. I'm gonna play this one more time. Okay. You send me right round, baby, right round, like a record, baby, right round, round. Together we can set the world what we can do. You are next to me and I'm next to you. Pushing on through until the battle's won. You're gonna give up and you won't even each other, but us just standing united. After the fight. Alright. Bursting through. Yeah. Oh, my dash is ready. Yeah, we can sell the world while we can do. Deja vu, I have been in this place before. Higher on the street, and I know it's my time to go home. Mystery. Alright, I'm going to face Zaz again. See if I can get him this time. so I can promise I am not going to blow it this time. Alright. Going down and out. Spin dash time. This calls for a spin dash. Oh, there he is.
Gonna beat you like a drum!
No, I'm gonna beat you like a sheet of paper. Probably not my best time. Alright, come at me. He thinks I'm scared of him. I'm not afraid of anything.
I can't believe it!
Alright. Go! Alright, there we go. Okay, one more. Yes!
You
Finally!
were lucky this time!
He's defeated. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, demon. Woohoo! Alright, let's go in. Oh, better be careful. I want to crash. Okay. Alright. Going up. Alright. Doing stunts like a boss. Alright. Just ready again. I am crushing it very hard. Oh man, my ring. Hey, a red ring. Alright. Alright, I'm getting so far. My god, look at my score. Look at my score up there, fellas. Oh, and I fell. Oh man. This blows. Alright, well, at least I've rescued a lot of animals. 15 walruses and 36. What's that? Oh man, this game. I don't know if I should play this next. Who wants to watch me play that game? Join Clash. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna collect my award. And I think I'm going to end the video here. Well guys, if you all like this video, please don't forget to leave a like if you all want to. And if you want to, comment down below on what game you guys want me to play, or, you know, what did you think of the video in general. Yeah, and if you want to subscribe for more content of myself, be sure to hit that subscribe button. But yeah, that's all I had to say. I hope you all like this video, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. See you later! Oh.